As fuel costs rise, more people are looking to control their monthly energy spend. Following with this path will inevitably lead you to questioning if a geothermal heating system is an option for your home. Geothermal is currently the only way to see 500% efficiencies on your energy spend. What that means to you as a consumer is that the investment into a geothermal system is not just an investment into a new heating system for your home, but it's an investment into significantly lower operating costs for you and your family for as long as you're in your home. Everything starts with the ground loop. These ground loops can be dug in a horizontal trench or a vertical well or placed in a pond. But the job of the ground loop is to extract heat from the ground and exchange that heat with a fluid that's running through the ground loop tubing. Proper design of the ground loop is critically important to the reliability of the overall system. Best practice is to use software to calculate the loop lengths based on the soil quality, condition, and the heat load of the structure. Here at Green Guys Mechanical, we use two different programs for loop field design, LoopLink and GeoAnalyst. Using these programs, we can design for horizontal, vertical, or pond loop systems, as well as open loop systems. The lot space available, geology, and topography of the lot will guide us to the choice of the specific loop field design. Horizontal loop fields are the most cost-effective systems, then pond loops, then vertical well loop fields. Once extracted, the ground loop brings the thermal product into the home and runs it through the geothermal heat pump. The heat pump selected for the home is based on the distribution method the home is using. Most homes have a forced air duct system, but geothermal can also be used in hydronic systems if designed properly. Hydronic systems are more complicated and take an experienced company to make sure that they are designed properly and will work effectively and efficiently in the home. Equipment selection is also very important. Here at Green Guys Mechanical, we are typically installing Hydron module geothermal heat pumps. Hydron module units are available with an industry-leading 18-year manufacturer's warranty and are one of the most trusted names in the geothermal business. If designed and installed properly, these units should last over 20 years. When looking at the return on investment, the savings in propane and fuel oil markets typically make it an easy choice to go with a geothermal HVAC system. But even in a natural gas market, they have the ability to cut your annual energy costs in half. The compounding long-term gains from making the transition are even more staggering. That 500% efficient heating system saves you more money every time the cost of energy rises. To put things in perspective, this chart is calculated with a 6% increase in fuel costs. We have seen over a 15% increase in fuel costs just in 2022. If we extrapolate these savings with just a 10% increase year over year, the number gets astronomical, and the long-term benefits of geothermal heating systems get very real. So, what is the cost of a system? They must be crazy expensive, right? And we will tell you that the cost can vary widely between a horizontal trench forced air system that already has the right size ductwork installed in the home and a home that needs a vertical well system with new everything inside. But what's right for your home? If your home is the right kind of home, the cost is a no-brainer. In this example, we had a 5-ton system with good duct already installed in the home, a clean path to the loop field, and an open lot that we could install the loop field in horizontally. We installed this system for only $14,250 after all the rebates and incentives. More importantly for this client, we could make this transition with zero money out of pocket and only a 3.49% interest rate using the New York State Clean Heat Program. Their current system was at the end of life cycle, so their real return on investment with this system was only 2.5 years versus a conventional propane system that they were looking at having installed. And to help the return on investment, this client will be saving more than $2,000 a year out of the gate, with the long-term fuel cost savings going up dramatically. All these benefits could be waiting for you in your backyard. Most people in HVAC are not looking underground for free money. Here at Green Guys, it's our favorite place to look. And feel free to call us for a free consultation and estimate. We'd be happy to have a discussion with you about your own home. And thank you for watching our video.